Have you ever wondered about the fate of our galaxy, the Milky Way? What would happen if it collided with another galaxy? Well, let's talk about our closest galactic neighbor, Andromeda, merely a hop, skip, and a jump away at 2.5 million light-years. Both the Milky Way and Andromeda hold the title of the largest spiral galaxies in the local group, a family of over 50 galaxies bound together by gravity. But these galactic giants are far from passive neighbors. They're on an inevitable trajectory towards each other, set to merge into a single elliptical galaxy in approximately 4.5 billion years. This cosmic dance is orchestrated by the mutual gravitational pull and the unseen hand of dark matter enveloping both galaxies. Andromeda, for instance, is hurtling towards us at a speed of about 300 kilometers per second. So, with Andromeda moving towards us at a speed of about 300 kilometers per second, a cosmic collision is indeed on the cards. But what does this cosmic dance look like? And what will be the result of this interstellar tango? Picture this. The gas and dust from both galaxies start to interact and mingle, creating a spectacular burst of star formation. The stars themselves are so far apart that it is very unlikely that any of them will crash into each other. In the heart of this galactic whirl, the supermassive black holes at the centers of both galaxies also begin their dance. They spiral towards each other, eventually merging in a cosmic waltz, releasing powerful gravitational waves that ripple through the universe. The shape of both galaxies dramatically changes during this process. Tidal forces from each partner distort the other, forming long tails of stars that stretch across the sky. It's a celestial ballet, a mesmerizing performance on a cosmic stage. In the end, after billions of years, the two galaxies will settle into a new formation, creating a large elliptical galaxy, Milkomeda. This incredible event is not an anomaly, but a common occurrence in the universe. Galaxy mergers are more frequent than you might think. Large galaxies like ours grow and evolve by absorbing smaller ones, a process akin to cosmic cannibalism. Take Andromeda, for example. It's already experienced at least one significant merger in its past. Even our own Milky Way is currently in the process of absorbing several dwarf galaxies, a silent dance happening right above our heads. Such events are far from being violent catastrophes. They are, in fact, integral parts of galactic evolution. As our Milky Way and Andromeda spiral towards their inevitable meeting, remember, it's not an end, but rather a new beginning. The result will be a reshaped galaxy, potentially sparking new stars, new planets, and perhaps new life. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, this collision is simply a part of the natural and inevitable evolution of galaxies. Who knows what new forms of life and civilization might emerge from these cosmic dances?